my mate gave me his old MX5 for free. It had been through a bit of the wars, and we called it Foxy because it had killed a fox. Also needed a bit of other bodywork tidying, but mainly it needed a new engine. So we found one on eBay and actually managed to swap it over, and it worked. Please consider checking out the previous videos we've done on this project to see the details of the engine swap and all the other bits and pieces that we got done. Nice. Okay, so that's it. Fox is running again. We've got our new, slightly different colour bumper on there. So we are going to look at getting this painted. And also, is our other bit of paint that we've got to tackle, this rather nastily previously repaired rear wing. So while we got the bumper off for painting, we also gave the headlamps a little restore. Okay, so we've turned half the garage into a sort of paint booth. And we're actually going to paint it now. So it's surface been prepped, keyed. I'm going to prime it. There's a little repair. This bumper had a little bit of damage here. That's pretty much fixed that up. So we're masked up. So on with getting the rattle can paint job done. I purchased the paint from paintnuts.co.uk and followed all their steps for prep and painting. Right, that's the paint, and I'm pretty happy with that coverage. That's pretty good, right? I'm pretty happy with that. And then just the clear coat to finish. Okay, so Here we are, I've got the bumper offered back up. The colour match is pretty good. Looks even better on the camera actually. But you can see as I need to kind of get it matched in now by giving it a bit of a buff. So that's the bumper done. All we have left is this rear wing. We are all masked up, ready for this last bit of paint. Okay, well I guess the only last thing to do, finishing touch, is to put our badge on. So what would you do? I've finished this MX5 and I've loved this process. I've got it for one more week and I'm doing what any self-respecting, incurable petrol head would do in this situation. I'm going to enjoy it. Ah, the MX5 life. New owner comes to get this weekend. His second ever car, 21 I think he is. This is going to be absolutely wonderful for him. Oh, I love it. MX5 baby. Do you want to see it?
I do want to see it. Yes.
Let's have a look at it. So here's young Ben come to see the car. I think you can tell by his reaction there was never really any doubt he was going to buy this. And we wish him many happy miles and fond memories with this car. Let's hope he doesn't go fox hunting. If you've enjoyed this video and you haven't already seen the previous ones, please consider going and looking at those. And while you're there, why don't you just click that subscribe button on the way past? I mean, it's right there, isn't it? Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. This is Keep 'em Running. We keep 'em running. Please consider tuning in to the next episode. Thank you.
Keep on running, wheels on the road. Keep on running, never let them get old. Keep on running, until the next episode.